He won $1 million on live television and lost it all because of a single cough. In 2001, on Who Wants to Be a Millionaire, a man named Charles Ingram hit the jackpot, $1 million. But something felt off. Every time he read out the answer choices, someone coughed. It wasn't random, it was his wife and another contestant in the audience. A cough meant that's the right answer. At first it was subtle, but soon it became too obvious. He'd dismiss an option, then suddenly change his mind the moment a cough echoed in the studio. Even his wife once whispered, "No," when he leaned toward the wrong choice. The truth? They had been cheating the entire game. When the scheme was exposed, all three were convicted of fraud. He didn't just lose the money, he lost his reputation forever.